Wait, I will be back. Just wait. I just forget to bring my phone with me. All right, just wait. Wait. Okay. No chat. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 chat. Hello. Okay, just let me paste the link in the Discord. After that, that we will start today's stream. Oh, great. So, good evening, mates. Today is my day 72 of my DSA journey. In today's stream, again, I have came without a plan, but yeah, we have some questions, right? We have some questions in which we can develop our recursive thinking, but I think we'll not be writing the recursive code, right? First, we can try the brute force approach. Then we can think of is can we apply binary, sorry, recursion in that or not, right? Maybe we will use ChatGPT for it because right now I haven't seen those lectures or the problems. Like right now, I'm on this lecture where I was watching about merge sort and just wait. And yesterday I got something like I got a realization, a very important realization that how much DSA, right? Like for how much time we will be doing DSA. It will not be like endless, right? There will be a point where we will just revise the topics, right? There a point will come where we will just revise the topic and okay, let the people come, then we can have a talk about it, right? Before that, we can start with a new question, right? Maybe this was given by a guy who came on the stream yesterday, and I think we can apply binary search, sorry, recursion method in this as we have to take, we can take n pointer I and pointer j, right? We can create an helper function. Uh, yeah, but before that, I was thinking to do it with another approach, which in which we will use for loops, right? So as we it's been a long time we haven't done these type of problems, right? We can take a count and also we can take an pointer and okay, but that what we will use it in the for loop, right? So we have a count and we have to just run the count, so we can run a for loop on the array I is equals to 0 and I is less than n. I will be less than n minus 2, right? Because I will stop at the second last value. And when we will use another loop for j, which will be I plus 1, right? So that we can carry I and I plus 1 every time. So I plus 1. This is a sliding window. Oh, hello man, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I was just trying it for the fun, using a for loop. I was thinking it will be okay. We can use sliding window approach. Okay, we can try that. This was given by guy, right? Yesterday, I think he was telling about the sliding window approach. Right. But first, I was thinking to do with another approach. I was thinking to try this approach, which I am going to write the code for. Right. What will the sliding window approach look like? Like it will be just we will have the count, then we will shrink the left window and, and add it into the right window, right? So yeah, all numbers are non-negative. Okay, so it can contain a negative number. Minus. Okay, wait, we can check it. Oh, it can contain minus 10 to the power 7 to this, right? Minus 1000. Okay, okay, okay. Hello, Aryan. Welcome to the stream. Hello, man. Aryan, lad. Welcome to the stream, buddy. So for we will use another loop j. J is equals to I plus 1, and it will go till last element, right? This is my as I'm thinking about it after just saying this, maybe this approach can be wrong. So Array, no problem. Array, what have you written, man? Even can you are you able to see what you have written here in the messages? And what is STL? What is STL? So okay, so every time we found right. Okay, wait. We have to compare it with the sum, right? So there will be a sum. We will have to take a sum, right? So sum is equal to 0. And now sum will be plus equals to nums of I and plus nums of j, right? And if sum is sum is equals to k, right? In that case, what's up, bro? Hello, man. Welcome to the stream. I am doing good. The fever has almost gone, just a little bit of weakness, but it will be it will go away with time. So every time we found that sum is equals to k, I think we have to increase the count, right? There should be something like this in this problem. Oh, okay. Can you prefix sum or hash table? So in the hash table, the guy was, but why will you use maps? Okay, we will see it. So by increase the count, we will get the count of the numbers, right, which is equal to sum until j is less than n. Sorry, it will be j. And this is for I will go till the second last value. If we take any array, and j will go till um, last value, right? So I think it will, and then we have to return the count. It's been a long time, so I don't know if it will work on. Hey man, what is given? It counts you for it. This some for it some. Yeah, I was thinking the same that I think you are able to see the code, right? This is the code. It can be wrong, but I don't think so that it will be wrong. But maybe okay. What? I is less than. Okay, okay, okay. We have to create n. Okay. Give the error. Okay, it's failing both that is key. Why it happened? And the output it's giving one. Sum plus equals to nums I and the value. Give the error. Because I was thinking, okay, here it will be n minus 1, right? Oh shit. Oh, okay, okay. It is counting for a single time. This is not counting for the other times. So the sum will be 0 times after the first loop. Yeah, it will be less than n, and it will be okay. It will be less than n minus 1, right? It's just because we are already using less than, so by doing n minus 1, it's again giving the wrong output. Then I will increase, but I think we have taken the count here. So okay, some because some will be reset, right? Some will reset, so that's why. Yeah, you're right. It's passing one test case, but failing the other. So here, so we can put another condition, right? Else if nums I or nums I is equals to k or nums j value is equals to k, we will just return increase the count plus plus. Can we do this? No. Oh, it's giving 3. Uh, so we are going wrong. What do you think, man? J is equals to 1, not j is equals to I plus 1. Okay, we can do that also, right? Boom. I think, okay. We should have done this outside the loop, right? If we do it, try to do it outside the loop, will it work or it will just fail? Okay, but wait. We have to keep it in loop, right? We don't, it doesn't know that from where that is coming. J is equals to I, not 1, sorry. But man, if j will be equals to I, then we will not be on the same index. Don't you think that? Like we have to take the sum, right, of two values in a continuous manner. right? It's a subarray, uh, contiguous non-empty sequence of elements, right? So we have to start with I plus one. I think that's why. But there is a mistake in this part. I think mine. But how? Okay, but how this thing is working? We do a dry run, right? I just directly picked this problem. I was not thinking that I will be doing this, but I think that yeah, somewhat I was able to derive the logic, right? Like what will happen just, and then I think this condition that I have thought about is true. It's like right, or even if I remove it, okay, it's failing. So that condition was necessary. Okay, uh, meant I just picked it just for fun and it got solved. But will it be accepted or not? That's the case, right? I'm going, let me do my impression. Long link list. Hey buddy, how's life treating you? Hello Murphy, welcome to the stream. I'm doing great. What about you? Hello man. Yeah, we will play Scribble in between. And we have just started the stream and I picked a question today. And right now I've just solved this question using logic. We haven't used any AI for that. And in between, this guy, Union Edits, was helping me, like giving me, yeah, we can try this, we can try that. But I think somewhat around 80% of the 85% of the code was I was able to understand what will we have to do in this. And even if it's marked as a medium level problem, I don't think so. It's a medium level problem, but it can be for people who have just started. Oh, hey, Union, are you still here? Your answer is wrong, man. Um, okay, let's see. There can be a base case which we are failing on. Expected was 4. Hello, Suyash. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I was just trying to do it, but it's just failing some test cases. Um, we have to find that mistake that we are doing. We see here and 3 to 3 one time, then second time, then third time, and then fourth time. So what's the problem? It should be doing like this, right? And if we see the code, it will work for that, but there is a mistake. We have to find that mistake. So now I think we can use AI for that, or maybe first we should try it by own. Now we have that test case. Like if we assume I is equals to this, j is equals to this, so I plus j will be 3, then I will become this, j will become this, I will j 3 again, then I will be this, j will be this, I will be this, j will be this. So it should be giving that count. Hey man, hello Kzone, welcome to the stream. Hello Jake, welcome to the stream. How you guys are doing? What's your update? Like you do you guys any update that you want to give to me? Um, 0. Okay. Don't do nums I plus nums j. Do only nums I. Hello Keshav, welcome to the stream. No need of second condition. This you're talking about else if, but when I try to remove this, it just getting fail. And if we will not take the sum of I and j, how we will be? Is it like a running sum? Like we are doing it in a running sum, like we are consecutive. Okay. Yes, I is less than n. So we you are saying that we need to remove this second condition. Then what after that? We don't have to do this. You're just saying nums I, right? Okay, but it's passing one test case, right? But I don't think so. This is the right code that I have just made some modifications. You're talking about something else. Nums j. Just add the next element of the subarray which is being iterated using j. Sum plus equals to nums I, no need of the else if condition. I is less than n. Okay. And what will happen with the j? We don't have to use this. It's passing the other case. I don't. I think that we don't need a j, right? Oh, it's j. Yes, j is needed because with the j we are iterating. Oh, okay. I think I got it. As j will be the moving pointer, right? Like it will be the first. I will be on some index. They will just keep increasing, and j will increase. Go on the last till last index, and I will also go to last index. What if we do j is equals to I plus 1? I think it will fail as it will be out of bound. It's failing all that. 3 through the subarray. Okay. Subarray sum divisible by k. Okay, we can do this also. Right, this is a problem. Hash hash table. Okay. Time complexity of big of n cube. Okay. Instead of big of n. Use a hash map to store prefix some frequencies for n big of n solution. Okay. Try the prefix sum approach. Uh, uh, okay. You're talking about this, right? That we did, like we found it yesterday, in which we were using a map. In the map, we used the zero. Okay, frequency. This is acting as the prefix. These are the sum and the count. So we use the for loop and set equals to current value, right? And if in the map we found sum minus k, count plus equals to sum. Your laptop name. Hello, Yogi. Welcome to the stream. Be happy. I'm still confused in the prefix sum by your laptop name. This version is more understandable. Yeah, this one, right? This one. I was thinking like why we okay, but by using maps, we will be able to optimize the code. That's why maps are somewhat like yeah, there is so many things that in which we can use hash map. I'm not that much good at that, but yeah, we can try this. We can try to understand the code. Do you gonna play the sketching game today? Yeah, we will play it. You guys wanna play the sketching game? I don't know why people get scared when I say that. Okay, let's play the this game. Basically, we have to find the prefix sums counts such that current sum minus prefix sum is equals to k. Okay, find the sum prefix sum such that current sum minus prefix sum is equals to k. Okay, and here this guy did this. Man, are you copying the code from somewhere? Previous prefix sum. Okay, so there will be a previous prefix sum in which if it's equals to k, then previous prefix sum will be updated. Is it something like that? Then we will again check for it if that is equals to k. Then again previous prefix sum will be updated, right? If I we see here, we haven't used something like that. We created a hash map. The key is equals to prefix sum value. Okay, frequency. So example, okay, mean prefix sum 3 came for the two times. Subarray left and right has some k. If prefix r minus prefix left minus 1 is equals to k, so we have to count all valid and minus 1s for current r. Yeah, I think you are right, but I will have to see a little bit of like how this is being framed, right? As I'm not that much good at maps because of that. I've told you about that Apna college. Um, so, and then if we talk about prefix sum, I think I've just done 2 or 3 problems on that. And here we have the maps. So, so I think for a little bit of time, we have to first understand this, right? Like how this will be, how the function will, or the container that we are using will behave. Can you tell me that game name? It's Scribble. Scribble. Scribble.io. Okay. It's on the. This is the platform, but this is the game name. Scribble. IO is a platform where I think, yeah, people upload games, and there we can play so many games. So Keshav is trying to help us, but I think we have to first understand a little bit of the what is happening in the some parts. So key becomes the prefix sum, and value becomes okay the frequency. So okay, suppose when into okay, so first 2 elements, it seems this current sum is equals to 3. We reach sum minus k is equals to same as c if okay. So initially we started with it with the frequency of 1. As we know that minimum term, if we talk about the minimum, it will have one sum that will be equals to k, right? So that starts from index 0 variables. Sum will be current prefix sum and count will be sum scale. Okay. So now we are trying to find that that's so k will become the current is 7. So k is 3. It's not equal to okay, current prefix minus prefix equal to k. So okay. Hello, SP Creations. Welcome to the stream. Can you teach linked list from basic to advanced? Nope, man. I have just I also have to learn about that. But for that, you can check Striver, right? There is a resource from where you can learn. You just go on the YouTube and you can search about Striver linked list, right? From there, you can learn about linked list. I also did have started doing it, I think this. Okay, wait. This was channel name, please. It's take you forward. You will get to know about it. Just you search about Striver. STRIV, Striver, and this guy is very famous. I think don't, but yeah, the way he teaches is very great. Before it, I was learning from another resource from Apna College, but it was not that much good that it should be right. Don't follow Apna. Okay, Striver. And thanks for coming on the stream, SP Creations. Hey man, I've seen you before. I think you are that guy, right? So today you came and you were showing your project, right? You have created the SaaS application, right? The SaaS web app. And if I remember, you are in 10th class. That's oh, you are new. Okay. And yeah, if you guys want, you guys can join the Discord. Oh, there a guy asked something right yesterday. I just remember that. If you guys want, you can join the Discord server. Like this is the type of a community where you can share what you are doing on a daily basis, or like it's and or maybe if you have completed a project, or even if a part of it is completed, you can share that, or we can have interaction here, or we can share resources, or we can this is the type of a community where people can join in and they can help each other grow together, right? That is the purpose of this community. Even if we are able to contribute, like do a little bit of help, that will be, I think, good, right? Uh, okay, so hmm, I just do one. Yeah, we were supposed to doing some recursion based things, but yeah, just we have picked it, so I think we have to do it, right? So I no man, it's just the entire button has current prefix sum find sum minus k. Okay, just wait. I forget to share something to the. There was a guy who came yesterday on the stream. He was asking for something which I forget to share. Right. So wait. Fine. I think his name was Shivam. So Shivam, where is that guy? Shivam. Wait a minute. You were talking about that charcoal videos, right? Charcoal. You say great. I just okay. Leave that. So these are the videos. These things will be removed, and we are one to two package for videos. Okay, now we have to wait till Shivam comes on the stream. If he will come, then he will tell about he was the guy. I just don't remember who was that guy, but I think that Shivam was that guy. And people who are watching me, you can have some interaction, right? Like if you want to ask, discuss about something, we can have a discussion. Or right now, I have done this problem, but I was thinking about another approach by doing which we will be able to solve it using hash map, and that will be an optimized approach uh, where we will just have to use a single for loop, and that will just traverse the array for I think the single time, and then just wait. Let's put it as yeah, we have done this problem. Problem. This problem. So let's see. A, B, C are let's A, space. So A is equals to R, K, and K B is equals to C is equals to M. So we have to count how many maps, how many M minus K are previously there. So there we can find three. We can find from map. There are three we can find from map. Okay. Okay. Okay, man. Thanks for coming on the stream, Keshav. So we can remove this. We will start with the empty map, right? And here there will be values, and like key will be the value which will be equals to like which will start from I think zero that and it will go to k, and we will have to check for its frequency, right? If it's I think like that. So the map with the integer values and there it is maps. It's an empty map. I just hello man, welcome again to the stream. What you saying? Why think you in a big so why did you choose C++ for DSA? It was just I was trying to like that was initial, initially I find out okay C++ they are teaching in C++, so I thought that okay let's pick it. So that was the case. CU2 for solution. Okay, the value sum equals k. But Trevor has have done this. It has taken 30 minutes. I can't even wait 4 5 minutes. I watch solution. Oh, so you think that that is a problem? Okay, Nikhil Logia has done this. There was a guy who does these type of problems in a very less amount of time. I think his name was at least to try do code with me. No, there was an Indian guy who told me like, but it's very long. Like we have less amount of time. But for listening to the for listening to the video, I will have to just unplug like the mic. That's the problem. Like you guys will be able to listen to the. I have a little bit of understanding what is happening. Just after seeing the code, it's just a little bit of ununderstandable. As even I don't have used maps a lot. I've just I think done some simple problems based on hash map where we use hash map. That's the problem, right? So okay, we created a map. Then index 2. We do current prefix sum is equals to 6. So then 6 minus 3 means sum 3. Therefore, okay, value will be the okay. It will be the key. It will be the key, and value will be the frequency, which we will be increasing. So okay, I have a question. Why do people solve DSA problems? Okay, follow the sequence and follow a sheet like a striver. Oh, today I just picked this as there was I think guy who was telling about AI, you can pick this problem. Like who was telling me about, are you able to solve this using prefix sum? So, and today I haven't like learned new things, so I thought yes, well, let's try it. Right? Like today I planned about using like solving this problem in which they will be using stack, but yeah, it's having pain man. I have some minus k. Okay. One, two. We are starting with a prefix sum 0 and its value is 1, right? Like which have occurred for the one time. So 1, current prefix sum plus okay. And in the map, we are trying to find that, but how in the map is, but man, how in the map the keys, sorry, new keys, no stack in invalid parentheses. I was trying to, we should count if we found that. Yeah, yeah. So, but man, how in the map the keys are, we are getting new keys as we only and 0. Yeah, the answer is in the line. Okay, the new keys ourselves. Okay. Okay. Now this runs. Okay. For one. So it will be the frequency of one, but one doesn't exist yet. So why does what does create it with value 0? First it was occurred for 0 time, then occurred one, then one. When it occurred for one time, we have just said it okay, it occurred for the one time. So next iteration when we are on 2, sum is equals to 3. Then okay, so 3 will be, we will have the frequency of 3. So okay, okay. New value 3 created. Next iteration. Okay. Same. 6. Same. So the entire process. Then every iteration. Okay, this is the, here's another prefix sum. Write this down too. So the map goes while the loop runs. Let's submit to C++ thing. You should remember this. If it doesn't exist, effectively it's family equals to 1. That's very resolve time for fitness. For now, the code should look less magical. Create current prefix sum. Look for old prefix sums. If we found that, then save current prefix sum. Okay. What about again give me the code? If we are able to find that prefix sum, then we are doing count plus plus, right? Shit, no, this is happened. So we have a sum, we have a count, right? We have a sum, zero, we have a count. Now we run a for loop on the array, right? Now the entire thing will happen inside this. That first we will be doing sum plus equals to nums I, right? Sum equals to nums I, and if map dot find, what we're trying to find is we're trying to find sum minus a. Okay. Check if a previous sum mistake exists such that current sum minus previous sum. Hmm. Okay, is equals to k. So now will increase. This is the part that we have to understand about. This is the current prefix sum, right? Current prefix sum, and we have to understand this part. Uh, like how the such current sum minus previous. Okay, current sum was this, right? 6. If it was 6, then we minus k. But what will be the previous sum? Okay, wait. Here, waiting. As you are saying, current sum minus previous sum equals to k. And in the okay, but we are trying to find it, right? So, and in the map, how we will decide that what will be the previous grade is some previously we have to take like current sum is equals to n plus 2 nums I and minus previous sum will be previous sum is to what is, is equals to k. Oh, we have current sum, but how the hell do we know previous sum should be? Let's use variables. Current sum minus previous sum is equal to k. We want to know previous sum, right? So rearrange. Current sum minus previous sum is equal to k. Current sum minus k is okay. Mhm. That sum minus k comes from. Okay. Current prefix sum and the k we have in the map we have previous prefix sums, right? And this is your current sum minus previous sum is equal to k. We want to know previous sum. So rearrange. Current sum minus previous sum is equal to k, or current sum minus k is equal to previous sum. Okay. Yeah, previous sum will be in the map, and there that's where sum minus k comes from. Suppose current system and k is equals to 3. Yes, what prefix sum would make the difference equals to 3? So 10 minus previous sum 3. So we need to first find, and how did it 7? 7 minus k. 10 minus 3. Okay, 7. Hey, what you deleted, man? Okay. What prefix sum would make the difference equals to 3? Uh, So we have the current sum is the 10 that we are calculating, right? This is the current prefix sum. Then in the map, we try to find would make the difference equal to 3. So therefore, previous sum is equal to 7. So we set the map for 5. Now bring the map into it. Suppose before this iteration of map is 0, 1, 3, 7, 8. Current, we calculate some space 7. Then map. Have I previously seen seven map says yes, and it appeared 2 times. There was two starting positions that produces some array sum of 3 and the other sum in it, current and it. So sum plus equals to count plus equals to map, count plus equals to 2. But what is a prefix? This is the part I want to visualize array prefix. Four, 8. Stating and it's giving so much information, right? But we want current sum minus previous sum 3. Therefore, 8 minus previous sum is 5. Look at our previous sum. Okay. 5 is therefore 8 minus 5 and the elements after the prefix sum are minus 1, 4. The sum is 3. So this is our sum array. Now understand what the map is doing. The map is using prefix sum, where, and how many times I saw it. For our value towers after index 3, we will, yeah. Therefore, index 1, 2 is 1, okay, 5 is 1. Then for index 2, okay, the index 3 's current sum is supposed to be calculate 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Then map ask map. So yes, prefix sum of 5. So you said mathematics. Yes, it's required prefix sum before. Minus. Think. Say. Okay. Boom. Yes, that gives me a sense of Python. It's running that translated to code. Current sum minus k. We, if it's found, right, it's not equals to map dot end. Calculate the prefix sum I need, then check whether I have seen it before. Should be sum minus k, and then check whether if I've seen it before. We're using the find function. And one thing I want to stop doing, I'm trying to find out. Give me a current sum and target k. What prefix sum would make a difference? Current sum minus k. Little bit. I have current target skill 3, 7. Because that will be the sub arrays, right? So in the sub arrays, it can be 1 and 1, it can be this 1 and 1. And then we want sub array sum of 3. So 10 minus what is 3? We calculate so 7. Now look, we have the and look 7 previous, current 10. So therefore, the portion between those two fixed sum has 3. Where portion between those two prefix sum. People are getting so we are at 10. We want to know, can I find a subarray ending? Here was some 3. Let subarray we need to depend. So they've okay. Get a subarray we need to only a prefix sum from our current prefix sum. If that value is present, right, that 7 is present, that means that okay, within that in between that value will be present, right? If we will keep subtract, not because 7 is special, not because the map found 7, because gives our target. Think backwards. Current target. We want current minus old is target. Okay, then the array correction 2, prefix sum is 7. So 1 or 2 sum is equals to 3. Prefix sum before we 1 or 2 was 7. So after it's 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So it is behaving as a location if we are able to find 7. That means in another array we can find that we again. Then we using the count. Okay. We have current value need a previous value location such that it's equals to the k previous map. Sometimes there is 94. If the answer is 0, 2, 7, 1, 2, 3. And exactly we are doing this. We just got the current value to find the subarray. Okay. Again, okay. Code. Okay. Equals to maps that particular sum minus k value, right? Value will be the frequency, and then this is the else case. Save current prefix sum as a future checkpoint. So we can copy this, but it's after that we have to in the end we return count. But what it is doing, it's giving previous sum, right? We are trying to find um, the previous sum, which will be equal to minus k, right? But why we are finding previous sum? Because it told us about if like after adding the values, if we are having those numbers, right? Like in the current sum, we have in the current prefix sum, we have those values, and if we keep subtracting that current value from that, like by doing sum minus k, and if that value is present in the map, then we are doing count plus plus or whatever frequency it have, it can be 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, and we are also saving the current prefix sum as a feature checkpoint. And then we are returning. What if condition will not run instantly? Right. First, some values frequency will be calculated. Three. 3 and it's 3. So initially it started with 0 value and its frequency is 1. First iteration means 0 is equals to 1. Right. Then if minus 2 is not present, then we do increase the frequency of 1 as 1 becomes 1 have a bit for 1 time. In second iteration, sum is equals to 3. The one checkpoint is 0. 0 is already there, so the frequency of 0, we add that into the count, the frequency of it, and the count is equals to 1. Then we save that save current checkpoint, which is as sum was equals to 3. So 3. Then the map we have 3. Third iteration, we are on num's second last value, which is the third value, which is 1. So sum is equals to 4. Current prefix sum. Required checkpoint is sum minus current prefix sum minus k, which will be 1. If we found that map says 1 is equals to 1, so count plus equals to 1. Then say this value. So statements you said first some values. Okay. So after that we get the count as 2. Right. If it was 1 to 1 and k was equals to 3. Right. But wait. Sum. Undeclared identifier. Okay. We have an undeclared identifier. So can use no stop size. as it is subarray. That is 10 minus 7 is 3. Why 3 cos 7, 2 plus 5, and 10 contains 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. We subtract 2 plus 5, that's common part disappears, and we got 1 plus 2. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 1 plus 2. That's left over part is the subarray. Okay. Current fixed minus previous fixed sum is equals to k, right? 7 only contains 2 plus 5, and 10 contains 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. We subtract this. We want a subarray or sum is 3. So we ask for 10 minus what is equal to 3. Answer is 7. So have I previously reached a prefix of 7? Yes, then which means this is subarray ending at my current index 3. This is the connection. You are thinking, why are we randomly searching for 7? People, hey, I was thinking now we can play some scribble between. Um, if you guys are still here, just tell me about that. Then we can start with it. Hey, Dipto, are you still here? I just haven't given you the answer, right? I have. Why do people solve DSA questions? There is like a thing like I got to know about. I was thinking about why we shouldn't do wipe coding, or why is it is very bad. Uh, why it is like, for who it is for, right? Why are we randomly searching for 7 or not? We have to 7 cause currents. Still not that much clear. Okay, let me. Then This is actually let's talk about this. Hey, how much time we are given? It's around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. One to two months. So mm, 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 mm. Hmm. Today is Sunday. Don't know where people are. Mm. Okay, case three. So we have the subarrays like this, right? Like the valid subarrays will be 1, 2, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 2, 1, and 1, 2. Okay. In that example, it was 4. That hit this case 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Right? Yes. So prefix 1, 3, 4, 6. Now look at the index 1, 3. Correct prefix 3. We want case 3 minus what is just 0. And 0 exists because of we did initialize it as 0 and its frequency was 1. So we find 1, 2, 3 count is equals to 1. Okay. Next index 2 correct prefix is 4. We want 4 minus what is 3. This will be 1. We previously saw prefix sum was 1. So 4 minus 3 that gives wait. Where we had that? Okay, 1. And prefix sum will be stored right as in the map. So as once 1 will be stored in the map, right? And after it, when we not find that, we are unable to find, then that value will be stored, right? Then we will again check for it. It will be present in the map. That's how we can say count increased. Count became 2. Now index 3, 6. We want 6 minus what? It's 3. And prefix sum 3 was previously seen at index 1. So that gives 3. Count becomes 3. Now here, where the question about frequency, name is an array with the same prefix appear multiple times. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Prefix sum 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Prefix sum 1 appeared 3 times. And prefix 0 appeared. Now suppose current prefix is 1 and this we calculate current minus k is equal to 1 0. So we ask how many times have I previously reached a prefix sum 0. If the answer is 2, then there are two different subarrays and ending at the current position where sum is 3. Most sum is 1. That's why we don't simply do count plus. We do count plus because tells us how many previous locations can serve as the starting boundary of a valid subarray. It will be the frequency of how many times it have appeared. And disconnect, you said, yeah, right first. That was we don't abandon that. We it's like a starting point, keep adding elements of some squared plus the sum prefix of one escapes basically doing the same search more intense. intelligently. Oh, I didn't thought that prefix sum will be used like this, right? Mm. Okay, if you're still here, I want to tell you that I am following a different roadmap, which people will not be able to understand, right? Like it's a different roadmap. Uh, no one has. People just want to. I think you're asking what is that you've seen here, right? Where I was doing some problem, I said that I will be using hash map or like hashing based container. It was just for the to get the idea like how what is that or how that works a little bit. I just didn't got into the depth of that because we also do have to learn some other concepts, right? It can't be just in a linear way that we go into the depth of it just in the first time, right? When I will be doing the like there are some plans of mine which I have just not told about. After like completing recursion, there are some plans where where I have kept it uh, where we will be doing some revision, right? And in that revision, the gaps which are required to be filled will be filled as why did pick this right? Like why did try to solve this with another approach where mesh maps will be used because we have to do it like why try to do it with every type of approach that we can apply in it. Maybe it can be. I don't know if you are able to understand this what I'm trying to say, but I am following a different. I have a different plan for these things. Yeah, and your question is very valid. Like what I have did in this 72 days, right? And what is today's 72 day? Okay, day 72, right? So like no one can be. There are some factors, right, which can be different for other people. We can't say like okay, if we are going, so we are just going the depth, or if like we will not be making some mistakes. We just learn by making mistakes, right? That's the case, and. And like I have some things in the mind that we I have to recover, like refill the gaps. It can be like today you see me doing this by using map, and I was unable to do it as I just haven't had that strong grip on the maps or what we say. I didn't thought that okay prefix sum will be used like this or we have the prefix sum, right? It was just understandable that. But I didn't think so that if I will give a good amount of time in that, then it will be good. As DSA is not a type of a endless thing, right? Like it can't be endless. There should be a point where we will have to stop it, and like we will be doing a revision, and in the revision time the concepts will become more stronger with time. It can't be like in a linear way, which people are supposing that it will be, but it's not. Like maybe for other people like you or other people, maybe it's something different, but I think this is just what I think about it. It's the way I learn, right? Or why I just switched to the striver, right? Why was that? Because I got to know, okay, there were some problems in that playlist which I was following before from Apna college. Now I will change it. Just with time it will improve, right? Like why we have to run in a very fast way. We will be doing that. Shit, man. And is it uh, hard problem? Hmm. Very gone, man. Okay. Yes, man. I was thinking, there was a guy. uh, Are you able to see the comments? Like it was fine. The anger is fine, but don't know where that guy is gone. You can see this guy, Union Edits, and what he's saying. Okay, but it was just he was just trying to ask a question, right? I'm thinking a lot, right? But man, I think we are the only two people here that you are watching the stream and I'm doing the stream. I think there is no other person who still who is here. Yeah, I've shared the link. Let's play in between. If people will come, we will just add them. Um, check. When I was thinking to take a washroom break, but hmm, what sheep? Hello, Yash. Welcome to the stream. Drive stable. Hey man, I thought you were gone. The, okay, okay, okay. Shepherd. It was hard to guess. Violence. Violence. Let's try to draw a violence. Okay. Mm-hmm. I think it will be easy. Uh, let's see. What's that? What's that? A table. Maybe it can be a table. No. Red. Something the red color. H. Hey, what's that, man? Mm-mm-mm. No. Trash. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Brush. Man, what about brush it is? Eh? What have you drawn? Huh? It's getting it was difficult to guess. And now what's this man? Paste at top. I draw. Okay. It's an aeroplane, I think. Oh, skydiving. Shh. Man, you are good at drawing things, right? Okay, I think it is. No, 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 yes, no. Yes. Hey, what it's okay. Or even we could have used something. We can have drawn something else, right? Okay. Now, yes, it's a boy. He's dancing. No, what's that, man? No, no. Okay. Okay. But it should not be like that, right? It's a very, I think, adult game that adult people play. It's just, it's an adult game, man. I don't know what they will give to draw in future. What's this? Snake. It's a type of animal, I think. Um. Okay. Something related to car. Carrot. Oh, I just thought that it had two words. Okay, now we will draw. What the? How you guys were able to identify this fast? I was third. Hey, wait, I will be back in 2 minutes. Just, I think I should take a washroom break. Then we can start the game again. Hashtag or what? What? Okay, wait, I will be back in just 2 minutes. All right. Yes, I'm back. Ditto. Hey, people have left the room. Jake and Junior, you want to join the room? Should I share the link? Okay, right. Okay, me. Yeah, it's not that much. Hey, join the room, man. So who have left the room? Man, I. It's a variable time. You can assume it's not fixed. But as it's ready, just I haven't. I'm not taking it as of when you had like I have had the lunch very late. Jake, join the room, man. I am unable. Okay, you are. But where is she's gone? Hey, where you guys? Only I and Dipto are playing the room game. Jake, if you are listening, that yeah, you can join in again. I've just started the game, and yeah, this is the link. What's this? It's a very long word. Hmm. It's a sliding window. Okay, some mm, something like. Mhm. Okay, a computer. It's something related to computer. Commercial. We will use this. Wait. This color. And mhm. What happened to the network, man? What? I think it's like I've seen people selling their own brand clothes, right? Of things that we call it as merch, right? As far as I've seen I've just listened about this word on the YouTube. And what is this? Something like something type of a rock or uh, 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 Oh, Coca-Cola. And if you guys have any other game that where we can play, if it's more interesting than this, then we can play that. But it shouldn't be like battle royale games or okay. Um, oh shit, man. What happened to the keyboard conflict? We are getting bad at this. Jake, okay, Jake was able. How we can do Puma, man? Okay, wait, wait. Now we will confuse the people. Hey, Naksha. Desi. Yash is becoming Desi. Yash is being Desi, right? Oh, that's three words. So no, come on. Zip line of N. 10. Whole. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm just hiding it if like someone wants to. Whoa. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yes. Oh, great, man, great. Man, you just gave a very simple guess, right? You have to make it hard that people will be unable to guess. Hulk. Come on, yes. Haven't you watched that ad before? Next time. What happened to Jake? Jake got some points, right? Uh, next time. Is this a boy or it's Joy? No, it's okay. What's this, man? This is something like what is this? Alien. Alien. Oh heal. So it should be heal head. Mm-hmm. Wig. Oh, okay. He was that guy. Mm-hmm. Great. The hard word that I think it will be not easier to draw, but six, we have the ball. I'm just, I think, a noob in this, but everyone was able to guess. Okay. Volcano. Volcano was me. Yes, it was second. This was. Oh, okay. If any, hello, I'm late. Yeah, I will even today. Hello, Vedant. Welcome to the stream. Hey, should I share the link? I think you came at the right time. Um, yeah. So let's join it and let's you join. Then another game. Yeah, just wait. I think there is a guy who will come. Increase the time. When okay, but I think 80 seconds is good, right? Like such a fun and mind game, better than Instagram Reels. Okay, Vedant, just you have to join using the link. You just click on the link and you will be able to join. Right. I think 80 seconds is fine. Right. As we have to take a guess, it's just the matter of time. Like it will improve how we draw. We will be drawing, so that people will be able to understand in that less amount of time. I think this is the game about it. Like this is what is it is about. This game. Vedant is drawing. Vedant, come on. It's type of peak door. Hey, who's this man? GPT. If okay, from where you guys are coming? I think. What's this? What's this? Oh, who are you guys, man? Okay, okay. What's this scenery? Film, fire. No, oh, firehouse. What? The GPT was right. Hmm, I think it's book. No, GPT is the word. Oh, that's the case. Flag, but it's no. Okay. Uh, okay, okay, okay. Agro, agromany. Wow, carbony. Man, it's just a keyboard gets wrong, right? Like just when we try to write it in a fast way, just the word gets slipped. Sorry, the we choose wrong characters. Everyone was able to guess. Sorry, man, I said something gallant. Uh, okay. Hello, Danny. Welcome to the stream. Uh, nope, man. No, I I will not search about you on the Google or not about Ava, right? Mm, come on. Clean before mom after. Okay. Let's have fun. Hey, you want you want me to do something which I should which I'm not supposed to do? Man, this guy is getting crazy, right? Um, okay. We are also solve a problem on this. Okay, just out of time. Metrics. That's what I wrote. Metrics. What do you guys want? Should I kick you? No, in the metrics way, like there was a problem when we tried to get the diagonal sum right. That's what I was trying. Diagonal. Mm, yeah, you are right. But I think if uh, hey, who is drawing this? Uh, okay, who is drawing this? Who is drawing this? Um, fuck you, bro. Just fuck you. I thought that I would be like becoming cool or just not using words, but I think this is not the abusing word that I'm using. So for some people, they will have to use it eventually, right? For some people, if they want, I can even use Hindi words too, because there is a limit to which we can. What's this? Plus star. Mm, danger. Okay, okay. So you are trying to play around with me, right? You want something? Why are you wasting your time, man? What the thing you want? You want some gully? What? You want some gullies? I think. Death Star. Nope. This. How are you? Yeah, Jake is smart. I'm fine. Eva, what about you? I think Danny wants something. I think it's Jake Vedant. Okay. Woo. Oh. No. What's this, man? No. Yeah, I think this guy is just fucking playing with us. Man, if you are a man, then you will again join the room. Like if you're a man, you will just not be joining the room if you are a gay. then you will be again joining the room. Right now, the choice is yours. Like, are you a gay or are you a man? If you are a man, then you will not again join the room and you will not fuck around with us as we don't have that unlimited time, right? Just don't try to fuck around with us. And if you want to play, just you can join in as a man, right? We are not those kind of guys who are just. But people are like that. We will have to eventually use this type of words, right? We will have to do it. What is this, man? Gun. What type of gun? Okay, 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 okay. I think that poor guy is gone. Oh, that means that yeah, he's a real gay. He's a real gay. Now he have proved himself as a gay. So, oh, no problem, man. Yeah. Now he have become the target. What is this? It's something type of what's this? What's this? Okay, playground. Son, what? Hey, what's this? This is body. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Um, boom, boom, clap. Who is trying? Ditto is trying. This is okay. Wait. WH one. No. Something like shit. Mm, Move. What the? Within 60 seconds, he gave me a option to draw Justin Bieber. How will we be able to? Hey, man, it's just me that I'm getting the easy words, or it's just other people's. Man, who is this guy? Eva, Eva wants to be get kid, I think. Just go and yourselves, right? I will not be getting into tricks that you are using. Just directly you will be kicked out of the room. Ban. Okay. What's this? Zipto even. Okay. These are some candies, right? Okay, this is the last round. Okay, now the competition is very close to end. Pencil, candle, cake. Okay. Okay. Hey, who left the room, man? Yes, who left the room? Think one more match. Man, don't you guys think that match is taking time to just end? Like it's taking time to be ended. I think it's strawberry. No, student. Uh, okay, okay. No, something like a test. Decrease. No. Depressed. Mhm. There we have an intelligent guy, right? Hmm. We are very new. And I think they were just some random people who were just playing around. Don't know from where they got my video, like live stream. Is it a type of a one? Shit. Are you guys able to guess 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Why? Countdown. It was a very long word. I thought it would be just around. What the? How you guys were able to guess it before even I draw? Oh shit! I was at the fifth position. Power of astrologer. Should we start and uh, again or just or what should we do? Okay, this will be for the last time that like for today we will be playing this. So that we can come on another stream and we will try to play this. Today there was nothing. The objective, the agenda today was just I just pick this problem randomly and just solve it. Okay, bye man. Um, Carrot plus okay. Carrot. Shit. Carrot soup, but it's not that. Mm, Carrot bomb. Okay, I think it's carrot bomb. Sweet item. Oh, carrot cake. What the? Now we have four people. I think that will not take that much time. Our mind is, I think. I made it easy. Way done. Um, oh, that's no. Uh, CPT, bro. Target. Auto. Something like autocorrect. I think. No. Auto. Autograph. Mhm. Oh, You are very funny. Repeating. Yeah, now buy my subscription. Okay, so you're behaving like that. Bingo. Burn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. G. Okay, 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 okay. Blue. Seabird. Oh, seagull. What? I just my spelling was wrong. Hmm. Oh shit. My spelling was wrong. Uh, what happened to you, man? I think we are know about the spelling. It's type of a prism, but mirror, mind, mineral, shuffle, Minecraft item. Okay, what is this? Minecraft item, shard. How we will be able to guess when like we haven't played Minecraft before, so it will be harder for people. Land to dig. Okay, shovel is close. Shit, something like shovel. Right, land to dig. Oh, just oh man, just shovel. That's what we wrote, right? The white gave okay. It will not be W. I think. Yeah, spelling kid. Shovel. Okay, it will be. It will become shovel. We have to write shovel. Potato. Sun. Bug. Sunrise. There is a boy. Okay. Sunshine. No. Sunshade. Hey, what this? Word is man. This isn't a word. Some shade. Mm-hmm. Stable. Sable. Reverse. Ram. Ram. Ramdev. What's this? VRAM. Okay, okay. Woo. Ramdev Baba. Great, great. We Vaga. And it's very easy. I think you guys don't know about Ramdev. That's why Nemo might should be. Hey, how you guys are able to guess at this fast? Whenever my chance is coming, you guys are able to guess what is happening. Like what I'm going to draw. Let me draw. Wait, we got to time. It was bait, right? I was what I was trying to show with the arrow. Just I ran out of time. They show in stream, bro. What? What they show? Okay, it's type of a no chip. It should be domin. Okay, no, not Indian. Dorito was close, so it would be do American. Doritos, come on, man. Dorito, we wrote Doritos. It's playing with singular or plural, right? That's not good. So, oh, okay, yeah. But those type of people will come, their frequency will increase with time. Just we have to use the right amount of words for them that so that they will just spelling. No, it was just singular or plural. That what's this? Finally, we're drawing. It is a white type of wizard bag list. Mm-hmm. Wash. War. No, war. War. Okay. War missile. Hey, it's around 11 p.m. That is okay. I should end the stream, man. I just thought that it is around 10 a.m. How the time pass when we are playing? It doesn't passes when we try to solve need to questions, but it is near. Oh, yeah, right at the end. And GPT, have you came on the for the first time on the stream? I haven't seen you before. I, what's this, man? I am here. Okay. No, should be something very on. Wow. Do better, Jake. It's something like salmon. Okay, it's something like a type of deer, right? Salmon. Bodybuilder. No, no, it's something type of an animal. Body. Okay, this will be easy for you guys. What? How the you guys are able to guess? Oh, I also think that they are seeing stream. You guys don't cheat. Yeah, cheating is a very bad thing. It's a game. We have to guess it. That's what it is about, right? Then how I will improve? Okay, Vedant won. Now I think we should end the game and we should come back to the stream, right? Finally, this guy's won. But I think in between, if we are playing Scribble, I can just turn off the screen so that people will be unable to cheat. Who is that guy, right? Chat GPT, right? Bye bye. Um, yeah, Jake. I think Jake's average was also very good. Like we talk about all the matches, he was playing in a very good way. But who was that guy? My name, or are you asking from Vedant? My name is Atharva. Atharv. Hey Vedant, what's your update? What's going on? What's going on in life nowadays? And there will be a time I will be just telling about something. which is very, it will be very interesting as it will be related to the DSA. Man, till what time it will like keep going, right? Like I think they should have allowed you to sit in the rooms, right, or the classrooms. Why aren't they allowing you to sit in the rooms? Like how the thing can just go on for this long? Okay, so college will start in up to October. Okay, 15th September. And when you will have the exams? Like when will be the final exams will happen for the first sem? Within- Okay, that's very. Don't you think that you will be getting less amount of time? Like even to guess, like people just settle their minds how the things will be in the first month. Then they start doing the things in the second month. How you will be handling that? I think they will even have assignments or other things, right? So that will be a very hectic thing. Okay, so you're taking a little bit of late admission, we can say, right? Okay. And what about the second sem? I think in the second sem you will get a good amount of time, right? Like for the even semesters, you will have good amount of time to give the exams. Hello, geeky him. Welcome to the stream. I'm in the first year right now. I'm just the first semester have started this month, around 8th of August. Yeah. Yes, I do. So I will have a good time. Yeah. Even I was thinking, yeah, how I will be handling the college. As college has started, damn, first year also I'm grinding so much. Damn. What about you, man? I have seen you for the first time on the stream. Okay, but okay, fourth. Hey, I think I have seen you somewhere. Yo, bro, we'll meet soon in hackathons. Stream first time, okay. So what you got to like? What you got to know about me? Oh, you are from Chandigarh University. Man, I just opened your profile, and you are from Chandigarh University. Okay. And from where you learned Java? I am also from the Chandigarh University. Just it's an online program in which, yeah, I'm in the same college, just the online mode. The online degrees that CU offers. Raghav Gut, sir. Okay, but you have like done it for backend or it's just related to the DSA. Like you did Java, right? As I find people, they are unable to find content related to Java that much, or the backend. It's just not okay both. But I think for the advanced backend things like the advanced topics, you will be you are still unable to find some good resources, right? Both. Okay. So are you a working guy or are you just like preparing for interviews? But yeah, I do DSA. I do both DSA and backend. Okay. Looking forward. Why purchase laptop? But when yeah, it's front end and React. Okay. So your front end was like JavaScript and the back end you have Java stack, right? Java Spring Boot and great man. You are going in a very good way, I think. Even you have some projects that I can see. So check resume. Uh, okay. Buy it at 140 and now it's 180. Yeah, even the laptop prices are increasing so much, right? And after April, which is also like it was just in the news that they will increase the prices, but now they've just increased it a lot. Like if we are willing to pay around 1 lakh, even at that point, we are not getting even good graphic cards like 3050, right? They're offering, I think, around 3050 4 GB, around 1 lakh. Don't know what will happen with time, but I think we were lucky that we buy it at the right time, right? Right, feels good. Um, oh, damn. Okay, okay. Jake, you can do one thing. I think you can go with Lenovo refurbished. I think that will be good. But there is a chance that you get product that will be dead on arrival. Man, you know, I think even we bought at that much expensive time, but when the market was just like before April, if we talk about last year around, what is this BRB? There is a something short word, right? Like short word for something. Be right back. Okay. Like when I just did some research, I found it okay. Even when I was purchasing, it was just around so much expensive, right? I think I even paid more than this, right? Like for the extra amount, and now it is more expensive, right? It's just the prices have increased that much that in that price we can have the second laptop. There, if that we would have purchased at that time, it would have been around we could have got two laptops in that price. Now the things are going in that way. We have to pay for two laptops to get one laptop, right? This is the case. Like it's near around that, but still there we have some good laptops that we can have a look around. I think those ones are good. No, I was telling about okay, you guys are talking with each other. Okay, I was telling about myself that how I did like purchase it. Okay. I think you did use the credit card, right? That's how you got the discount. It's again, hey, what's your you you bought a MacBook, right? I think Vedant is a very rich guy and is just hiding it. But yeah, he's a rich guy. Okay, it's around. Mhm. Uh, uh, um, but man, it's still this his its price is not that much increased. I think. Um, like if we talk about Windows laptops, the price have increased so much, right? Hello Yogi, welcome to the stream. 15 inch. Man, I was talking about if you go in the Windows part, you'll find like if you not about Mac, I think in Windows they have just increased price a lot. I think Apple will increase the price. Just they are waiting. Okay, man. So I think okay, back. Hello, uh, what's your name? Geeky. Welcome back. Oh yeah, good. Yeah, I'm using Samsung laptop and it's 2013 and it's DDR3 4 grams. I'm thinking it'll become a good master. um, Man, you will have to take the risk, right? You will have to play with your money because there also comes the part of time. Like we can't just wait so that the laptop prices get down and just we try to buy at the right time when the right time will come. And I don't think so that I don't think that that time will come very soon, right? Maybe it will be in December or maybe next year. So we can't wait for that long. If we will wait for that long, we will just waste our time, right? 8,000 watch hours to complete. Hello, newbie clips. What happened to you, man? Geeky? Why you just silent? And oh, I'm great, man. What about you? Hello, newbie. Welcome to the stream. What's happening? Just we are having some chat. We are having some talk. Studying, okay. Exploring side by thinking about stuff. What stuff you are thinking about? Basically, I use the normal sales. Okay, okay. No, no, no. We are not talking about that. We are talking about like we were talking about. There was a guy who wants to purchase a laptop tomorrow exam, and today wasn't a productive day. I'm at Chat GPT. I don't like Claude. Like I've used it before, but it just give the responses in the way I don't want it to. So no problem. I'm not blaming my. Just try to get a laptop and that help me to get a better one stack developer because somebody say you're in last year of MCA, then we will okay. Don't buy it now. Wait for the price to drop. Yeah. Don't buy my name. Oh, hello, man. Welcome to the stream. You came after a very long time. My name is Atharva. Right. Hey, you guys, if you guys want, you guys can join the Discord. I can share the link, and here you can. have interaction with each other, or like it is a type of a community we are trying to create where people can help each other grow together. And no Discord. Why remove the green screen, buddy? I just Discord is boring, but when sometimes it can be useful, that's why I've just kept it as with some rules, so that there will be some rules which we have to follow, so that it just don't get messy, right? And it's way lot. Okay. I removed the green screen because of I was I thought like it's just still not in the right setup. I just want to keep it like this, right? Just it's I made some changes. Go on to mission promote Discord. No, I want to add like some people with time. I think people will get aware what is happening in the Discord, what we are trying to, why we have created the Discord, and it's just I think very important for people who are unable to find things or who want some guidance, so people can guide them. Discord, yeah. I didn't understand about like how Discord, what it is and how it works. But there was a guy who told me about that. Okay, you join my Discord, and then after that I got to know. Okay, this is Discord and how we use it. What's your LeetCode rating? Hello Nubita, welcome to the stream. Ma'am, I don't participate in the contest. Yeah, but I do practice some questions on the LeetCode. Today we have done this problem. We were not supposed to do this, but there are some things that are going in the background. So I thought, why not take this problem? Number of problems solved on LeetCode. Help in initial days. Yeah. Hey, what's your? I wanted to have a talk with you. I think we can have a talk someday, right? Anime dimension. Nope, I'm not on the code forces. I'm the lead code. I'm on Geek for Geek, and I'm on Code Chef. I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh, UP. Nobita, what about you, man? अरे भाई सब थोड़ी ना बता दूंगा उसके लिए आप डिस्कॉर्ड पे आइए मैं वहाँ पे बता दूंगा आपको राइट अगर सब चीज पब्लिक ही रहेगी तो फिर कैसे ही चलेगा माय कोर्स इज BCA राइट बैचलर ऑफ yeah people say it as it's not a good course okay Gorakhpur great man oh so you can easily move to Noida after completing degrees nice yeah Nobita you can also join the Discord here we can have some हाँ भाई बोलो ना क्या बात करनी है okay hey where that guy is gone Geeky is I think still here or I don't know if he's gone I have never used Discord which year मैं अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ और जस्ट मेरा अभी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट हुआ है राइट ये इस मंथ अगस्त में ही स्टार्ट हुआ है वी शुड सुबोध um yeah actually yeah we are from same okay I will tell you in I can tell you in the private message I posted my Henry questions in the first semester itself you seem like a आप तो पढ़ाकू बंदे लग रहे हो अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? पहले सब में ही आपने ओके क्वेश्चंस लगा दिए, और पता है इंग्लिश में दिखा रहा है कि दैट दैट यू हैव पोस्टेड लाइक यू हैव डन 100 क्वेश्चंस, बट जैसे ही मैं देखता हूँ कि हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके ये दिखाता है कि आप मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो अरे क्वेश्चन से इतना मतलब ही नहीं है कि 100 क्वेश्चन लगा डाले 200, बस जो चीज़ है वो समझ आनी चाहिए। अ, अरे यूट्यूब का फीचर, यूट्यूब का ऑटो ट्रांसलेटर, इवन अगर मैं अपने मोबाइल फोन में भी देखूंगा तो इस मोबाइल फोन में भी ये इंग्लिश में ही आता है, पता नहीं क्या सिस्टम है, फिक्स नहीं हो रहा है। Vedant, I'm telling you, if you both talking this level of English, that you can impress anyone in college because in Surat, no one speak English. In my okay, नोबिता, आप मेरा डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, या हम लोग आपका ड्रीम पैकेज कितना है भैया? ओके, यार ये बड़ा ही काफी खतरनाक सवाल अपने पूछ लिया है। ऐसा भी तो कोई गोल नहीं है, अभी तो हम लोग ये पढ़ रहे हैं कि ये डीएसए है, इसमें क्या क्या चीजें पढ़नी है। जैसे उसमें वो नहीं ना कि गोल लेके चलो हमेशा कि हाँ गूगल गूगल में जाना ही है तो डायरेक्टली उसी पर दिन रात सोचते रहो। पहले कुछ चीजें करो, कुछ आउटपुट आए, फिर उस आउटपुट पे एज्यूम कर सकते हैं कि अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज क्या है, सो फिर विद टाइम वो चीज चेंज होती है, राइट? बहुत लोग क्या है कि पहले से बैठ जाएंगे प्रेशर लेके, फिर ऐसे कैसे होगा? इंडी डेव इज डूइंग डीएसए ब्रो। ओके, डीएसए टू। आई हैव done, like if we talk about development part, I've done HTML and CSS right now, and soon I will be starting with JavaScript in a very aggressive mode. At that time, we will be just revising DSA concepts from. So you are already where you had considering you are in first sem. It's just I think it's because of the consistency that we that we show, or like how we consistently. Although please make sure that you are more interested in startups than jobs. Yeah. Someone wants to approach me, I'm ready. Yeah. Um, the JavaScript is, I think, it's very important. Like we have to give patience in that, and I think that should be done. We will have to give a good amount of time in that, and I think till the month of December, uh, I will be stronger in JavaScript. Yeah. Just soon, this recursion thing is like will be finished. Then I will be. I have some plans that I will just tell about. What are the concepts in DSA? Concepts we can talk, we can say arrays, strings, uh, 2D arrays, and now I'm on recursion, right? Just there was a thing like from day one I was just following a playlist. I just have make a switch from that. It was from Apna College, but now I'm following Striver, right? Just for the recursion, I have some different kind of roadmap that people will unable to understand about. It's very different. But what I do here, I just document myself from day one. I like I'm documenting my journey on I think on the lead code we can say, but it's also like yeah, from where we start. I started arrays, then right. I have done some learn about some algorithms or like some named algorithms which have been named on some people named like Moore or Kadan, or some approaches I have covered. Keep it up, bro, brother. You will live a long. Okay. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks for coming on the stream, Nobita. By the way, Tharva, are you interested in .NET? Man, I haven't done that much research. Like, I don't have an idea about that, but I have listened people doing the backend and this type. Like, what is .NET? I even don't know about it. Anyways, I'm leave now. So, thanks for coming on the stream, Geeky. See ya. May God bless you. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks for coming on the stream. Hey, you have joined the Discord, right? Thanks for joining the Discord. Okay. I'm 19 years old. 19. Yes, where should I go to? Nice. Okay. Thanks for coming to stream. And you guys don't have to subscribe right now. You can subscribe when you feel that this guy is learning something good, or we are learning something from him, or we are getting some value. I think that is more. That will be more good thing. And you, Nobita, I'm taking giving. You can take a guess by this. If you are able to take a guess, then this. Okay, right. मराठी आहे पण राहतो सुरत गुजरात. Okay. Man, even I'm able to understand what you are trying to say. Yeah, Asaka. Okay. Because there was a friend of mine who, yeah, there is a friend of mine who is from Nagpur and खूप हुशार आहे भाई तू पानसे जे. See this website. Which website? Bro, your Marathi accent is perfect. See this website, LearnYard. I- Is it your project? Dot com DSA. So what it is for? I have been working on this project for a long time and I still have a lot of work to do. This project, DSA sheet. So this is your okay. This is your project, right? Even we have this mode. Oh, it's just very smooth, man. Recursion and backtracking, recursion problems, permutation problem. Okay, wait. Subset. Nice, man. Yes, this post graduation day is coming soon. I'm nervous. Okay. भाई मजा कॉलेज चालू होणार आहे 15 सितंबर पासून. लागू के होता आहे post grades. I'm so nervous. What's it? What is wrong with you? Nobita, it's by okay. It's by France. I thought it is your project. Yeah, I know about Fraz. He cracked a job, right? Around it without even going to college. I think that was you're talking about that guy. No problem यार distract नको हो मी मजा टाइम Instagram पर वेस्ट केला यार 4 years खूप love कर लेकिन I have 4 days left and the result is 5 backlog. He is Ishan, not Fras. No, no, Fras. Um, when it's around 11:34, I think we should end the stream, right? But yeah, let the talk get completed. Okay, just wait. Let me do some. Okay, okay. नहीं 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 So this part I understood, but when I was trying to say five, it's such a mm-hmm. Marathi is very like understandable. Yeah, most of the time gets wasted around when we are a fresher or we just enter the college. भाई मैं के प्लेन आहे तुझे पूछता क्वेश्चन लगाओ वाह at Nobita he was solving problem at starting of the stream. Yeah, I did have fixed a problem. Even I was even not today was in the state of starting the stream, but somehow I think yeah, let's go and see how what people are doing. You know, like after having the medicines, it's just the fever has not gone. Like fever has gone, but it's type of I am having my head is being like this and this, but not stable. By the way, how is your fever? I think it is good. The market and then internship is not good. Even एक कॉलेज है जहाँ पर अरे उसका नाम सुना है बिट्स पिलानी एक बंदा था उसने बताया कि बिट्स पिलानी में 60,000 रुपये मांग रहे थे इंटर्नशिप के लिए एक बंदा था रेडिट पे उसने डाला था कि इस पे 60,000 रुपये अनपेड इंटर्नशिप होगी उसमें आपको 60,000 रुपये देने पड़ेंगे तब आपको एक वो मिलेगा सर्टिफिकेट कि आपने इंटर्नशिप करी हुई है पता है लोग किस लेवल पे जा रहे हैं बड़ा अलग ही सिस्टम चल रहा है लोगों का लेवल काफी हाई हो रहा है और आजकल स्कैमर बहुत आ गया है मार्केट में मैं जाता हूँ अभी दूसरे बंदे के स्ट्रीम पे स्ट्रीम एंड करने के बाद मैं डेली आता हूँ मैं वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को देखता हूँ जो काफी स्कैमर टाइप के आ गए हैं अरे सर स्कैम चल रहा है पूरा ऊपर से ये भी आ गया डीएसए करना है फिर एआई है एमएल पता नहीं क्या क्या चीजें आ रही है क्या ही चीज मतलब कितना ही सीखे यार बंदा बंदा अपना पूरा 24 घंटे देगा, फिर मतलब और क्या करेगा, सोशल लाइफ जीरो, बाहर नहीं जाना है, कहीं निकलना नहीं है, बहुत चीजें हैं, सब काफी लिमिटेड हो गया है आजकल, सब लिमिट लग गई है हर चीज पे, लोग ऑनलाइन आ गए हैं। लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं जो उसमें थोड़ी समझदारी दिखा सकते हैं और इस चीज से थोड़ा बहुत बच के रह सकते हैं, एटलीस्ट मेंटल स्टेट तो सही रह सकता है अगर कुछ चीजें फिगर आउट कर ली जाए सही टाइम पे। That's what I have last option to do, but I have to submit project in my last sem. I have to submit project in my last sem, so we have that option to do pay them. Yeah, कभी कभी बड़ा सिस्टम बड़ा खराब। और या तो एक स्किल्स की बात हो कि स्किल्स काफी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी या फिर कहीं पर कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन करा हो, ऐसा बहुत चीजें हैं। और स्कैम का तो बात ही अलग है, लिंक्डइन पे इतना स्कैम हो रहा है आजकल, लिंक्डइन पे जाने का मन नहीं करता है कि पता नहीं कितने स्कैमर बैठे हैं, कौन कब स्कैम कर दे, पता चले जॉब लेने गए वहां नहीं स्कैम होके आ गए। बड़ा सिस्टम। बट लगता है कुछ अभी अभी भी कुछ समझदार लोग हैं, कुछ अच्छी कंपनियां हैं जो इंटर्नशिप दे रही हैं और भी चीजें। बट इसको ढूंढना काफी मुश्किल हो गया है यार आजकल, जैसे एक ढंग का रिसोर्स नहीं, उससे उससे कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकता एक और चीजों को। जेक क्या आप दिल्ली, even after all this I get calls from TFU college and this, I think they are just have a partnership, with the company, and they just have some type of like there is everyone is like सब लोग मिले हुए हैं एक एक सर्कल की तरह है कि स्कूल वाले कॉलेज वाले या फिर गवर्नमेंट है, कंपनीज, हर लेवल पे। और आजकल ये तो चीज ज्यादा होगी कि पैसे के लिए कुछ भी हो रहा है आजकल, राइट, उतना वो रह नहीं गया कि फॉरेन कंट्रीज का अलग है वहाँ पे, काफी चीजें लाइक ट्रांसपेरेंसी बहुत बहुत। सो व्हाट शुड वी डू नाउ, लाइक हम लोग क्या अभी इस टीम को एंड करें तो हम लोग कल आते हैं फिर कुछ नई चीज के साथ। और हाँ, एक और चीज थी, डे 100 तक मुझे लगता है अगर हम लोग ये कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं रिकर्जन वाली चीजें, तो मैं कुछ चीजें अनाउंस करूंगा, उसमें होगा कि हम लोग कैसे रिवाइज करेंगे। जैसे डीएसए में अनलिमिटेड चीजें नहीं है, मतलब कुछ लिमिटेड चीजें ही है, बस उसको उसमें टाइम देना पड़ता है, लोग थोड़ा सा घबरा जाते हैं। अगर सही से टाइम कोई दे देता है तो रिवीजन का टाइम भी मिलेगा, प्लस कुछ और चीजें भी सीख सकते हैं, जैसे डीएसए हो गया। और आप अगर डेवलपमेंट में या तो किसी और चीज में कोई स्किल्स को, राइट, आप कुछ स्किल्स गेन कर रहे हैं तो उसको भी इम्प्रूव करा जा सकता है कि उसकी डेप्थ डेप्थ को इम्प्रूव करा जाए। जैसे जावास्क्रिप्ट है उसमें हम लोग बेसिक कर रहे हैं, तो बेसिक से कैसे हम लोग डेप्थ में जाएंगे, उसका एक रोड मैप और कैसे वो शुरू होगा वो भी सब। I was trying to find an internship on LinkedIn. There is one company that selling course and telling the, और ये भी नहीं समझ आता है कि कुछ कंपनियां जैसे टीसीएस, टीसीएस में स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है, बेसिक डीएसए है, और मांग रहे हैं बीटेक या फिर एमसीए, एमसी की डिग्री, मतलब कैसे, क्या चक्कर क्या है। और जॉब में जो वर्क है वो बहुत बेसिक वर्क है, मतलब उसमें कुछ उतना है भी नहीं, सैलरी भी इतनी नहीं है, फिर भी 5 साल का, ब्रदर आर यू आस्किंग फॉर टीसीएस। हाँ बिल्कुल। अरे मुझे भी लगा था कि ऐसी कंपनी जो थी बीसीएल को भी लेती हैं बहुत सारी कंपनी, लेकिन इतने फिल्टर लगे हुए हैं। बीसीएल को भी ये भी है ऑप्शन, लेकिन वो एक छोटे जॉब रोल के लिए, राइट, जैसे टीसीएस इग्नाइट का मैंने सुना है, उसमें हम लोग शायद अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। बाकी आप टीसीएस निंजा के लिए भी एलिजिबल नहीं है, उसके लिए भी आपको एमसीए करना पड़ेगा, या तो आप एमटेक आपने करा तो बीटेक करा, बड़ी अरे बड़ा सिस्टम बड़ा, ये लोग बड़े चालाक लोग हैं। किसी तरह पैसा निकले, चाहे जॉब ज्वाइन करे या फिर कुछ भी करे, डिग्री से ही पैसा कमा लो। या that can become true. Maybe in the upcoming times, people will say, okay, there were people who used to do jobs, and there was a time when people were used to do jobs. But I'm telling you one thing, listen, okay, in, I mean, last year, 8 company are come and come, but only 7 students get internship in company. Yeah, there was, and we also like are able to see कि इकोनॉमी मतलब कैसे चीजें जा रही है, कैसा फाइनेंस लोगों का हो रहा है आजकल, बड़ा सिस्टम इसका भी खराब है। कि आने टाइम में कौन सी चीजें हैं जो कि बचेंगी, लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, बहुत चीजें हैं जिस पे हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं। सोच रहा हूँ मेरा दोस्त जिनका फॉरेन क्लाइंट से भी अभी कॉलेज में ही है, सेकेंड ईयर। हाँ, तो उसमें टाइम भी देना पड़ेगा ना, उतना आसान तो है नहीं वो भी। वीडियो एडिटिंग भी इतना आसान तो नहीं है ना। और वीडियो एडिटिंग में तो और वो है भाई कि कितना पूरा दिन चला था वीडियो एडिट करने में, बैठ बैठ के वीडियो एडिट करना है, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा। अब उसमें नहीं हो रहा है तो वीडियो एडिटिंग ही सही। इसलिए मैं भी, मुझे भी लगता है कि मुझे एमसीए करना पड़ेगा बाद में। ये बीसीए के बाद 20 में शायद कोई जॉब्स हो, ऐसा कुछ मार्केट चेंज हो तो जॉब्स मिले। वीडियो एडिटिंग में बहुत सही बात है। वेदांत भाई की बात सही है। अ, अ, अम, defines- कृष्णा व्याख्यान शायद हाँ ब्रो, लेकिन मेरे दोस्त के कनेक्शंस अच्छे हैं तो उसको क्लाइंट्स मिल जाते हैं। अच्छा, 7 student of 135, and but their criteria is not that you have to work 6 months without pens. After 6 months they'll make, then decide that they're going to hire you. हाँ, हम लोग ये भी कर रहे हैं, बस ये भी है कि एक प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क भी होता है ना, कि एक प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क है हमारे पास कि ये चीज हम लोगों ने करी हुई है, हम लोग इसमें टाइम दिया, हम लोग ये चीजें समझते हैं, मतलब ये तो काफी अलग चीज है। So Thava wants to end the stream, but he's chat is active and he's happy, so he's talking, also talking late night actual stuff. Nice. हाँ, अरे अगर कोई 12 बजे के बाद आता है तो मतलब हम लोग कर सकते हैं स्ट्रीम 12 बजे के बाद, लेकिन जो लोग आते हैं 12 बजे के बाद वो काफी भारी लोग होते हैं। मतलब मैंने देखा है, मैं भी आता हूँ स्ट्रीम पे, मैं रहता हूँ रात के 2-3 बजे तक, कुछ लोग की स्ट्रीम पे मैं आता हूँ, वहाँ पे काफी खतरनाक लोग होते हैं 12 बजे के बाद। वो बड़ा ही पीक टाइम होता है। उस टाइम पे अगर कोई जाता है किसी स्ट्रीम्स पे तो वो काफी काफी बेनिफिट हो सकता है वहाँ से। अरे ढूंढना पड़ेगा। अरे जे, आप डिजिट उस पे चले ना, रेडिट पे देखो, रेडिट पे बहुत सारे फोरम्स, राइट, लाइक कम्युनिटीज है, वहां आप जा सकते हैं, वहां चेक कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो मैं सोचा था अभी स्ट्रीम को एंड करते हैं, आप लोग डिस्कॉर्ड में आके बात कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कॉर्ड का लिंक है, आप लोग इस पे ज्वाइन करके यहाँ पे बात कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि मुझे आई थिंक अभी डिनर भी करना है और साथ ही साथ फिर और चीज़ें हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेट, इट्स बीन अ वेरी, it's getting late. So thanks all for joining the stream. So what we did in today's stream, if I just summarize it, we just did this new problem, sub array sum equals k. and we did it using two approaches. First one was brute force approach, in which we used for loops, and after that we did write the code using like the hash map approach, where we used hash map and prefix sum approach, right? So this was all, and its time complexity when we did wrote it using for loops, it was big of n cube, and when we did wrote it using another maps, it just got reduced to big of n, because of we after that we just did used single for loop, right? That was the case. For there is something not to it, no. Array, LinkedIn, we are talking about LinkedIn. We are कनेक्टेड कनेक्शन का ये है कि बस सही लोग हो कनेक्शन में होते हैं। बहुत सारे आजकल बॉट्स बहुत रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हैं, मेरे भी लिंक्डइन पे आता था कि काफी बॉट लोग हैं, बहुत सारा रिक्वेस्ट, काफी लोग की रिक्वेस्ट आती थी, और उसमें से काफी लोग पता नहीं कौन सी मैनेजमेंट कंपनी में रहते हैं, मैनेजर, और पता नहीं क्या क्या, मोस्टली वही टाइप के लोग आजकल बहुत ज्यादा इसमें फेक अकाउंट आ गए हैं। अच्छा, जो मुझसे कनेक्ट करना है क्या? मेरा लिंक्डइन तो ये है, अगर मुझसे कनेक्ट करना है तो आप ये जाएंगे, चैनल को खोलेंगे, यहाँ पे मैंने अपना लिंक दे रखा है लिंक्डइन का, और उसके लिए आपको अपना नेम बताना पड़ेगा। लिंक्डइन पे ऐसे बहुत सारे रैंडम रिक्वेस्ट भी आते थे, तो मुझे पता करना पड़ेगा कि आपका नेम क्या है। तो आपका नेम क्या है लिंक्डइन पे? केवल जादव, ओके। Oh, this is you? Okay, man. Great. So for now, you all can like the stream. Yeah, I've just picked your request. So for now, you all can like the stream. You don't have to subscribe right now. You can subscribe when you feel that this guy is learning something good, or we are learning something from him, or we are getting some value. Then we can consider to subscribe. And when you will subscribe, what will happen when I will be live again, or when I will be doing a live stream, like I upload a new video, then you guys will be able to get the notification in your home feed, or home section, that I'm live again, and you can just hop in the stream again, and you can see me while solving these problems, getting stuck onto a problem, or how I'm approaching problems, or how I'm explaining the problems using Excalibur or other things, right? And please do give reviews in the comment sections, like what do you think should I come up with? Should I change something in my explanation style? Should I change something the way I speak, or the way I'm explaining the things, or the way I am solving the problems, or the way I'm learning recursion, right? I think I just picked so many points. So yeah, in the end, I will just say keep learning, and keep exploring new things, and just stay hard. Okay, just go and start taking actions, and things start to happen. Just start the grind, and stay hard.